Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have understand how to solve error binding declared here but left uninitialized error in if block. Now we have to understand what is loop expression and how to use this loop expression in Rust and how to return a value from loop expression also, that we are going to understand here. So let us start it. Use of loop. So once again we have to create a new project. So I create cargo new and I give it name class 11 loop. Then go to the same package cd class 11 and here we go to this program. We have main here. Here we want to use loop. So for doing that, I'm using here loop like this. I have expression. I say print ln like this, and I say I am a loop like this. And you see that if I execute this cargo run, and you will see that it is start to execute and does not stop. You see it executing, does not stop. So conditionally we have to exit it by Control C. So that this loop, if you write something here, it execute for infinity time. Remember that. So how we can stop this? How to control this? I create a variable. I say let mute because I want to change the value of this. I say I equal to 0. I initialize it with 0. Remember. Now I say here that I plus plus like this, and here also I put the value of I say I am a loop like this. I say I. And here I put a condition that if I is greater than 10, then remember I need a break. So I need to close it if value of I is greater than 10. Now once again I try to execute it. We have to use this is postfix operator is suggesting not to use it. Use like this. So I can use like this also. No problem. Save this. Once again I try to run. You see, after 10 it stopping execution. Remember that. So first is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then after 10 it is stop. And if I say it if it is greater than 10, remember, so on becoming 11 it will stop execution. So that means I am able to break this loop after certain condition. You see. So what is loop expression? Loop expression is like a block. This block, whatever I write here under this block, it execute it for infinity time if I do not set any condition. If I set some condition, like I set a break condition, because I can get out from this block, this expression only by break statement. So this break statement will stop the execution of this after the I is greater than 10. And suppose I want to return the value it now. The last thing is how to return a value from loop expression, because we can return a value from it. So here I say I, remember that, and I say multiply by 10. So whatever the value of I is there, I have to return a value of this. Remember, then this value will return here in a variable. So I say let, I say result equal to loop, and I put semicolon here, and I say print ln, and here I say result is, here I put result like this. Save this and I just run it again. You see, result is 110. Remember, because I value is 11 into 10 is 110. So we are returning this value from here. If it is break, means if the condition is satisfied, we have to break it, and with the break we have to return a value. Remember that we have to return a value here, and that's why, because we are returning a value from loop, that's why it's an expression. It is not a block, it's an expression. So it return a value also like a function return a value. So we can use loop like that. With that means we can use loop expression just to execute your code infinity number of time, or by conditional time, whatever you want to execute on the basis of break statement, and you can return a value also from a break whenever you want to out from the loop. So if you out, then return a value. So you can use it like a function also. I think you understand now how to use loop expression. If you feel this video is okay to understand all the concept of loop expression, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.